Hello everyone, we're here again with another video. We're playing Deep.io. Well, I don't know what to call it. But yeah, this is a new screen recorder and I hope you like it. I'm going to do domination. Oh, red. Oh, sorry for not talking as well. This isn't going to be a long video, it's just tester for this new screen recorder. The Northwood Dominator is controlled by blue. Okay, I just kind of want to level up. Wait, who leveled up my body damage? Let's do flank guard. Don't no speed. Sneaking up on me. Sorry, that's probably annoying. Like, you can hear me clicking my mouse. This is going to be the end of the video. Like I said at the beginning or something, it's just going to be tested for this new recorder. So, bye.